Yo, what up, oh bagel fam? Welcome to my humble kitchen. We are about to show you how to make oh bagel bagels in the comfort of your own home. Yes, that's right, baking bagels at home. Hopefully you guys have your whole bagel kits out, ready to go, clean, organized space. If you guys didn't read the index card, because you're not a bunch of readers, make sure you have everything ready to go. Besides the bagel kit out, make sure we have a cutting board, wooden is preferred, your boiling pot of water, revving up, and along with your oven preset at 425 degrees. All right, let's get started. So first things first, you're gonna take the dough out of the plastic. When you take the dough out of your plastic, keep the plastic, because we're gonna put the plastic over the bagel to let it proof up just for a little bit. So let's get rolling. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna put the dough smack in the middle of your cutting board. Make sure it's a large surface so you can roll it out to a foot long. Make sure it's nice and even. If there's some air pockets, it's okay. You can pump those out. Don't stretch it out too much. You don't want to be too physical with it. Just nice and easy. Make sure it's nice and even. On your dominant hand, you pinch it at the end, like so. So then when you roll it, you're gonna come around, you're gonna put it around your hand. See, it's like a nice twist in there. And you're gonna pinch it right here. And then we're gonna put pressure on it and just push it forward. So do it one more time. Don't ever go push back. Just like that. And then you roll it around and you got yourself a beautiful oh bagel right there. All right, so if your bagels aren't as large as mine, because I let my dough proof up a little bit, you wanna make sure the temperature of the dough is like room temperature. You don't want it to be brick cold. If it's brick cold, you just put the plastic over like so. Nice and gently. And let that sit for around 3 to 5 minutes. All your bagels are sitting on the sheet pan for 3 to 5 minutes. We'll be working on our seeds. So it's all about equal parts. For me personally, I like a beautiful everything seed bagel. So it's all equal parts between your sesame, poppy, your onion, and your garlic. Get generous with your seeds, equal parts of all. And then with your salt, you can be generous, but be careful, because obviously you don't want too much salt. And then just make sure it's mixed up, ready to go. And then just a perfect even mix. All right, feeling sweet, you want a French toast bagel. You don't have to put the bagels in the boiling water. You only put the bagels in the boiling water for your seeded bagels or your plain bagels. So for the French toast, you take your butter, you put it into a bowl, and you microwave that for 15 to 30 seconds until it's a nice melted, even distribution. And just deck that out with that nice, warm, melted butter. And then you put your French toast mixture, which has cinnamon, brown sugar, and the oh bagel French toast mixture. And just generously put that up. And the crumbles, that's always good too. There you have it. Beautiful French toast bagel. And you bake it at the same temperature as your regular bagels. All right, so once you have your bagels proofed up, they're ready to go, make sure your pot of boiling water is revving up. The hotter, the better. So you wanna make sure it's a nice strong boil so the water temperature doesn't drop when you throw in a bunch of cold bagels in here. Yeah, so let's show these bagels thrown in. And they're gonna proof, if they're floating, that's perfect. If they're not floating, let them sit in there for a little bit longer or let them proof for a little bit longer. You want them to be floating like so. So you make sure the bagels are sitting here for around 10 to 15 seconds. Got our bagel right out of the boiling water. Be careful if it's hot. So then you just put on your seeds. Get generous with it. If you like it light seeded, go for it. I personally like them to be loaded up with some everything seeds. There you go. We have our oven set at 425 degrees. We're gonna throw our bagels in there. I have one plain, one French toast, and 2 everything. Put it on the top shelf, and we're gonna set this in here, 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So set your timer for 20 minutes, check on that, see if it's a nice golden brown. If not, let it sit in the oven for a little bit longer. All right, so the timer just went off at 20 minutes. We're gonna take a look at these, see if they're ready. Beautiful. Beautiful golden brown. The French toast bagel smells amazing. This right here is just melted brown butter, so that's okay. We're gonna put this to the side for 2 to 3 minutes so they can cool down. The bagels are cooled down a little bit. We're gonna cut the bagels like so. You go 50% in, and then the rest, you just go nice and down. Check out that beautiful bagel. Look at those air pockets in there. Steaming, fantastic. Crispy on the outside, soft and delicious on the inside. All right, O-Bagel fam, thank you so much for partaking in the O-Bagel kits at home. Before I start digging into this delicious O-Bagel bagel, I want you at home to get creative with your cream cheese, your breakfast sandwich, lunch sandwich, or even a dinner sandwich. Post it, tag us at O-Bagel_family, along with hashtag O-Bagel@home. Post something that's creative, unique, something of your own, and one of your sandwiches or unique cream cheeses will be put on our O-Bagel menu. Yes, you heard that right. One of your cream cheeses or sandwiches can be put on our O-Bagel menu.